Today we're going to talk about one of my favorite subjects. Dogs! Dogs! Oh. Aw. This is a dog collar, and this is a dog tag that has the information of the dog. The dog collar goes on the dog's neck. This is a harness. The idea of the harness is you can put it on the dog and then clip it in the back. So dog harness. This is a dog leash. So you leash your dog by connecting the leash to the harness. And it's important to remember that to leash is also a verb. So you leash a dog and it's also the object, the leash. Dog toy, but also a rope with knots. Dog kibble. Food of dogs like this is dog kibble. Water bowl, you put water. Food dish for dogs. Dog snout, the mouth and nose is called a snout. Ears, tail, isn't this cute? Oh, I'm sorry. Professional Leslie. Okay. Now, you pat a dog by doing this. Pat, pat, pat. Up, down. You can pet a dog by doing this. This is to pet. You can scratch the dog's ears, and the dog can cuddle into you. So, oh, cuddling. With their snout, a dog can lick you. I hope this vocabulary helps you. Like, subscribe, take care. I'm sorry.